Wario, Genie T, Nona, Dreddle, Zip, Fightout, Ashley, Dr. Quigor, 18th out, Candy, Cat, Anna, 9th out, Young Cricket, Orbalon, Hostess, Royal Will, Ellen Nason. Hey guys, it's any Wario. Wario, I want to count the host. Fine. Yeah! And I want to get the host too. Fine. Oh yeah. I want to go so is Royal Will, Ellen Nason or WWE. WWE is like wrestler. No, it's Ellen Nason though. Hello guys, I'm Genie T. Genie T, you are good now at a warrior. Go ahead. No, it's a Fina close nigga. Yes, and go ahead. Yes, I am Crazy Drider. And Tessie. Yes, and go ahead. You can please join the game or I will crash you. Yes, and go ahead. I hate this song. Wait till you go for win something. Yes, and go ahead. Oh yeah, I am Smartinius. Yes, and go ahead. Haha, I'm a web kid. Yes, and go ahead. Hello, I'm a pop singer. Yes, and go ahead. Hello, I'm Cat Anna. We on a Nintendo sister. Yes, and go ahead. I'm Night Nintendo fanboy. Yes, and go ahead. OMG, his fake character is Young Cricket. How neat I landed so early at BFBPSPCE series. Yes, and go ahead. Hello, I'm all balloon because I'm an alien. Yes, and go ahead. Wow, you are a good man, and so you are a contestant. Let's start the team. The boys is called the fellas. The girls or west or you is called the ladies. Wait, I want Nona on this team. Too late. Well, I think the ladies has 7 landers and the fella has 9 landers. Center wheel at one time. Sorry, Dribble, you are going to the ladies. Oh no, I'm going to the ladies? Night Duo, no! The first talent is collect the coins, and you had lowest coins for the offer Land Nation. Go! Oh, why is Clary? Look at guys, it's in coin. Hey, it's rainy coins. Answer is why it's rainy coins. Oh, it's a 1985 Canada coin at once. What the? Haha, I'm too whiz. Girl, I hate this lady. I can't delete CTD and I would vote for her. Haha, was doubt. Yeah. Good news for boys. I got lots of money for now. Whoa, are you Daddy Wiz? Dupe times up. The father got lots of money. They wins, and the ladies up for Little Nation. But wisdom people had to vote. I vote Cat because he sold the nanny. I choose Cat because I hate for see that. I don't know. I think choose Nona. Penny is my sister. I choose Cat. Well, I think Golden Land, I think it's cat. I choose candy because when adults see the says so. I think cat see you all night nunny. Ladies, you lost last time when you decanted the land. Who call you that boat? Cat with one boat. Cat with two boats. Nona with one boat. Cat with three boats. Cat with four boats. Candy with one boat. Cat with five nose. That Nisi was eliminated. Cat! No! I'm so sorry. I got last place. Let's go, boat or loser. Wait, can I count me?